Welcome! In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So the first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the select button and keep holding it until you see the KOSPET logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And once the watch boots up, go to the phone you want to pair your watch with and make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and then open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Apex Move and tap on search button, and on the list of applications you should see this application with this icon, Apex Move rather, my bad. Tap on the install button to install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, you will need to log in into an account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on register right here to make a new one. You can also use Google, X, and different accounts, basically third-party accounts, to log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna enter my email address and password. Then we're gonna check the box right here and tap on login. And after you log in, you may see some pop-ups about the permissions. Allow them. And then you will see the home page of the application. Tap on My, tap on Add Device, tap on Allow, and the app should detect your watch as long as it's turned on. And once it does, tap on your watch. As you can see, we had some error about communication. We can always go to Bluetooth settings, check if the watch is right here on the list. You may see this pop-up about the pairing. Tap on pair. So if you see this pop-up at any point, tap on pair. The watch will then appear on the list of the connected devices right here. And now it should be saying connected right here in the app. And if you open the quick panel on your watch, you will see that the watch is connected with the phone, and I also have the Bluetooth calls enabled. That's why we have this phone icon. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.